Welcome to Lesson 3. Where does air pollution go? What did you observe in Lesson 2's investigation? Did any particles stick to your collector? And where do you think the particles came from? Air pollution can come from many different sources. Let's take a look at some common sources of air pollution in Maricopa County. Do you have a wood-burning fireplace at home or a fire pit in your backyard? Smoke from burning wood is a big source of air pollution in Maricopa County during the winter months. Weather events could trap the pollution near the ground where people can breathe it in, and that's not good for our health. Do you like to ride an off-road vehicle in the desert for fun? Unpaved roads and parking lots are another source of air pollution. We live in the desert where the soils are very dry and dusty. Small particles in the soil can blow into the air and become airborne dust. Also, not good for us to breathe in. How many of you have a car in your driveway or garage? Your family might own more than one vehicle. Vehicles that burn gasoline create vehicle exhaust. With more than 4 million people living and driving in Maricopa County, that can add up to a lot of air pollution. And finally, we all use electricity every day. Factories and electric generating plants also create some air pollution. Factories and people in other countries create air pollution too. And unfortunately, air pollution doesn't stay in one place. It moves around the world through the atmosphere. In this lesson, you will learn how air pollution from China is affecting people and weather in the United States by watching a video and reading an article. As you watch the video and read the article, you will record what you have learned on the notes organizer here, and then record what you would like to know about the topic here. Download the activity guide, article, and student work page before you get started. First, let's watch the video, and remember to fill out the notes section for the video.
According to a team of American scientists, storms over the Pacific Ocean might be more intense because of the high levels of air pollution being put into the atmosphere from Asia, notably China, possibly leading to unstable weather patterns in the U.S. Using advanced computer models, the researchers found that the large amount of air pollution in Asia made up of airborne particles called aerosols in the atmosphere are circulated by global weather patterns. Data from the computer models shows increased precipitation and stronger Pacific storm tracks caused by man-made aerosols from Asia. Ellie Highwood, a climate physicist at the University of Reading, is quoted as saying, "Mid-latitude storms develop off Asia and they track across the Pacific, coming into the west coast of the U.S. The particles in this model are affecting how strong those storms are, how dense the clouds are, and how much rainfall comes out of those storms." China's Ministry of Environmental Protection says that 71 out of the 74 cities in China that are monitored by the government for air pollution levels failed to meet air quality standards. But there is a legislative revision under development to put regulations on industrial air pollution and make environmental safety a higher priority. While not yet completed, it will be the first changes in environmental protection policy that China has passed since 1989.
Now, read the article. And remember to complete the notes organizer section for the article. Then, join me for Lesson 4 and learn all about the Air Quality Index.